Greetings to everyone. In this video, we are going to be looking at the solution to Mathematics June 2021 paper 2. So the question says that the polynomial f of x equal to 3 minus ax plus bx squared minus x cubed when f of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 45. Given that 3 minus x is a factor of f of x, find the value of the real constant a and b. 5 marks. So we have been given our polynomial f of x. So our solution here. Now our polynomial f of x here we have been told that when f of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 45. Now what does this statement mean? It means that if we look for the root of our remainder, we equate it to 0. This implies x will be minus 2. Now it means that f of minus 2 will simply be 45. But now our f of minus 2 is, we are going to go to x, f of x. Anywhere we see x, we replace it with minus 2. So we are going to have 3 minus a into minus 2 plus b into minus 2 squared minus 2 cubed. So here we see that if we simplify our result, this should be equal to 45. So we're going to have 3 plus 2a plus 4b plus 8 equal to 45. Remember, f of minus 2 is 45. So we see here that if we simplify our result, we're going to have 2a plus 4b now plus, this is going to give us 11 to be equal to 45. Therefore, we're going to have 2a plus 4b to be equal to, we're going to have 34. So if we simplify our result, we're going to have a plus 2b to be equal to 17. Now we're going to name this our equation 1. Now the second condition says that when f of x is divided by 3 minus x, the remainder is 0, since 3 minus x is a factor of f of x. Now if we look for the root of our factor, we are going to have 3 minus x to be equal to 0, which implies that x will be 3. Now what does this mean? It means f of 3 will simply be equal to 0. But what is our f of 3? Our f of 3 will simply be 3 minus a into 3 plus b into, our f of x is plus bx squared, so into 3 squared minus 3 cubed. Now we know that this should be equal to 0. So simplifying this, we're going to have 3 minus 3a plus 9b minus 27 equal to 0. We see here that 3 minus 27 will give us minus 24. So if we send it on the right hand side, we're going to have minus 3a plus 9b to be equal to 24. Now if we simplify our result, we're going to get minus a plus 3b to be 8. We can see 24 can be written as 12 times 2, and we're dividing all through, so this will be 8. Now this is our equation 2. Now looking at equation 1 and equation 2, our equation 1 is we have minus a plus 3b equal to 8 plus 3b to be equal to 8. So this is our equation 2. Now solving this, we're going to simply take equation 1 plus equation 2. So if we take equation 1 plus equation 2, we notice that a is going to cancel out. So we're left with 2b plus 3b. So this is going to give us 5b to be equal to, now we have 17 plus 8. Now we can look at it as, if we remove 3 from here and we add here, it's going to give us 20. So this is going to give us 25. Therefore, our b is going to be 5. Now, our b is 5. Now, in order to get our a, we can simply substitute b. We will say we put b in equation 2. We're going to have minus a plus 3 into b. B is 5 to give us, this is going to give us 8. So we see that if we send a this way and send 8 this way, we're going to have 3 times 5 is going to be 15 minus 8. This will give us a. 15 minus 8 is 7. So a is 7. So that is it for this video. We have gotten a value of a and b. So if you're able to do this in your GCE, be sure that you are going to secure your 5 marks. And remember that this question is always coming in the GCE. So if you look all through the GCE past questions from 2015 up to 2021, these sort of questions are always there. So make sure to master this. Our f of x is 3 minus ax. Now our ax here minus ax, our a should be 7x. Now plus bx squared. What is our b? Plus 5x squared minus x cubed. So this is our polynomial. This is our final polynomial.